Everyone, a quick demonstration what we're going to learn in this tutorial, creating a custom navigation title view. As you can see over here, there are two labels and one image with the image of drop down arrow. At last we're going to add a tab event on title view. Let's get started with Xcode. Open the storyboard and embedded navigation controller to view controller. Now create a new Swift file. Name it navigation title view drop down. Now here we're going to create a class with the same name as Swift file, and superclass will be UI button because we require tab event handling. Now we're going to create a label LPL title. It will be a compute property. We're going to make some property values changes as per our requirement, and same goes for the subtitle too. Those both labels are going to be are in subview and vertical stack view. Now creating a vertical stack view, here we're going to make sure the user interaction should be false. By default it's stated as a true, and going to change some minor property modifications. A new extension which will be going to use for UI related methods. Here we're going to create a prepare UI method which will be going to call from override init method below the super init initializer with frame. For adding a sub views, we're going to create a method also. Same goes for the constraints. Giving the constraint center x and center y equally to the self view center x and self y, and giving a height with constraints too. Also this method will going to be called from prepare UI. Creating a configuration extension. Configuration related methods. Configuration method will going to have two parameters. The first one is title, and it will be going to be a string, and same goes for subtitle, also will be going to be a string. Both parameter strings will be going to added to the respective labels text. Go to the view controller class, create a variable for a custom navigation title drop down. Now we need to add target for it in prepare UI. creating a method which will going to handle the tab event for navigation title view. For the demo purpose, I will going to just print a navigation title view pressed. Now we going to configure the title view, title as Kevin, and the subtitle will iOS developer. Thus now we just need to pass a title view to navigation item title view. Go ahead and run the application. As you can see over here, a title and subtitle both are placed successfully in navigation title bar. Now just we need to require an image drop down and vertical stack view, and image drop down will be going to stack in horizontal stack view. Creating an image view drop down variable which will going to return an image view. Let image view will going to be initialized with UI image named IC drop down with rendering always template, and image view tint color will be blue, and return image view. Creating a horizontal stack view, going to copy paste the code of vertical stack view. Horizontal and spacing will be 4. Now we're going to add an image view in horizontal stack view. And vertical stack view 2. And horizontal stack view going to be a sub view of this class. Changing the constraint to horizontal stack view from vertical stack view. Go ahead and run the application. As you can see over here, both label and image view are perfectly added in navigation bar. Now we required to highlight both labels and image view once I click on them. So creating extension which will go into override UI touches methods. Function handle alpha. CG float. Creating an array of UI view. LBL subtitle image view drop down for each loop. Obj of view. Obj of view dot alpha equal to alpha. Overriding the UI touches begin method. Superinit touches begin with touches and event alpha will be 0.5. In touches and alpha will be going to 1. Same for touches cancel. Go ahead and run the application. It worked perfectly fine. Hope you have learned something from this tutorial. Please like and share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.